Okay, I'm going to show you how to take notes while you're watching the lynda.com training. So you'll probably be in this type of view and you'll see the contents for the different sections that you'll watch. But if you go up here to the top right hand corner and click, you can also click on transcripts. So while you're
Rules.
watching,
For
I'll click on
example,
him.
getting your own domain name, installing certain plugins, and creating your own theme.
You can see that as he speaks, we also get the words of what he's saying. So we have that transcript available. So if you want to pull notes from that, you can just highlight
For
them.
example,
Oops.
getting your own domain.
So if you want to pull notes from that, you can just highlight them. So let's say we want to save this information. We can just highlight that. I'm going to go to edit and copy. And of course, you could just copy that right into a Word document, or you can come over here to Notebook and edit and paste. And that will actually save your notes for you as you go along. And it will also tell you what section each note that you save is from, so that you can find your way back there or just keep it organized. And so ultimately you can export your notes as a file, and I believe you can save them as a Word document or a PDF file. So that is a really helpful way of kind of saving your hand from a lot of writing. So you can use that notebook and that copy and paste function.